Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Wisdom Bytes. Today I am going to talk about something very important for children, that is the POCSO Act, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, commonly known as POCSO Act. This act was introduced in the year 2012 by the Government of India in order to protect the children from various sexual abuse. Whom this act applies to? Children are among most vulnerable members of the society. This act is applicable to all individuals under the age of 18 years. This act is a strong legal tool to ensure the safety and dignity of children. The act ensures that the physical, mental, and emotional well-being of the children is safeguarded. Unlike other acts, POCSO is gender neutral, that is, protecting the children, both boys and girls, from sexual crimes. The POCSO Act clearly defines the different types of sexual offences such as sexual harassment, assault, and pornography involving minors. One of the key features of POCSO Act is that it provides for child-friendly procedures during investigation and trial. That means, when a child files complaint, the child has to be treated with care and respect, not fear or shame. The identity of the victim is protected, and the law tries to make the legal procedure less traumatic for the child. Parents, guardians, teachers, doctors, or caregivers who are working with the children are responsible for identifying and reporting the offence. Now let us know the procedure for filing a complaint under POCSO Act 2012. The first step is report the offence immediately. Any person, including a child, parent, guardian, or teacher, or any person, can report the sexual offence against the child. Now the question comes, whom to report and where to report. The report can be made with the nearest police station, preferably Women and Child Desk, or with the Child Welfare Committee, or with the Special Juvenile Police Unit, or with the Child Helpline, or with the District Child Protection Officer. Soon after receiving the complaint, the police must register an FIR. Registering an FIR is mandatory for the police. The police officer must record the statement of the child in a child-friendly manner, preferably by a female officer and in a simple language. The police officer must inform the Child Welfare Committee within 24 hours and arrange for the child's medical examination in the presence of a parent or guardian or a trusted adult. The medical examination must be done within 24 hours of the report, and it is conducted by a registered medical practitioner, preferably of the same gender as the child, with the consent of the child or guardian or parent. The next step is recording of a statement before magistrate. A magistrate may record the child's statement in a non-intimidating environment, that is, child's place of comfort. The child's identity must be kept confidential at all stages during the proceedings. And the last is legal aid and rehabilitation. Free legal aid is provided to the victim, and the child is also entitled to counseling, education, shelter, and compensation as recommended by Child Welfare Committee or the court. Though POCSO is a powerful law made to protect the minor children from sexual abuse, yet many children have suffered in silence. There has been many cases where POCSO Act has been misused. Sometimes during family disputes or personal grudges or even misunderstandings in teenage relationships. For example, when two teenagers are in consensual relationship, but one or both are under 18, parents may file a case under POCSO even though there was no coercion or abuse. False allegations can ruin the reputation and future of innocent individuals. That is why it is crucial to understand the law Use it wisely and avoid using it as a weapon. Awareness is very important. When you know your rights and responsibilities, you are less likely to become a victim. If you or someone you know is in trouble, talk to a trusted adult or a teacher or counselor. Speak up, but speak responsibly. Let's support each other, stay informed, and help build a society where everyone feels safe. I hope this video has helped you a lot, has given a lot of information to you. Thank you for watching.